Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm at Publix for the sales week of November 4th through November 10th or November 5th through November 11th. I am pressed for time. I am getting all 4 of my wisdom teeth pulled out in about an hour and a half, so I have to hurry up and check out, go home, and then get to my appointment. I did want to come to Publix and do some of the deals that I was able to put together this morning so I could show it to you guys. Do stay tuned to the video at the end so I can let you guys know whether or not these Tenna pads were a $32 moneymaker. Out of the store, if you have all of the right coupons, they are over a $7 moneymaker. And then we have offers on checkout 51, and then we have an offer for when you spend $25, you get a $10 gift card. So at the end of the video, I will update you on that and let you know how much money I actually made off of these pads. So I'm going to go ahead and go through the store and show you guys all of these deals, and then we'll go over the final numbers at the end like we always do. Boys pads this week are $2 off, so they're $3.19. I'm going to pick up 6 for $3.19 each. That's going to bring me to $19.14. I did grab mine over here already. We have a couple offers for this. I'm going to use 6 of these $2 off of 1 from the Publix Green Flyer. If you want to do this deal, you have to do it quick because these do expire on Friday. That's going to take off $12 and leave me at $7.16. And then I'm going to use 3 of these $5 off of 2 that came in the Sunday's Smart Source. So it's going to take off another $15. This is going to give me an overage of $7.86. But we do have an offer. I will post a picture on it because I don't have the Publix Green Flyer right now. The ones I have are all cut up and I didn't see any in the front. So I'll try to get a picture of the ones I have. So I'll get another $10 gift card for spending $25 on certain items. That's going to make it a $17 moneymaker. But then on checkout 51, they are offering $3 back for each one up to a limit of 5. Sometimes if you claim them on different rebate apps, it won't give you back the money, or if you use coupons, it won't give you back the money. But I'm going to try to submit my receipt anyways, and if it goes through, this will be like a $32 moneymaker. I will post it at the end. But yeah, that's really good. I'm going to try to do all those 3, and I'll keep you guys updated at the end of the video to let you know if I got all the rebates back. Next deal I'm going to grab are the Glucerna mini treats. This week it's buy 2, get $3 off. 2 of these are going to total me $10.98. That $3 is automatically going to come off and leave me at $7.98. Then I'm going to use this $3 off of 2 from the Publix Green Flyer. It's going to bring me down to $4.98. And then I printed these 2 $3 off of 1 Glucerna products. I'm going to grab 2 of these for a $1.02 moneymaker. If you can't print the $3 off of 1 from the Glucerna website, we have these $4 off of 2. I think there is a $5 off of 2. I'll try to look for it at home, and if there is, I'll just pop a picture of it on the screen. This week, Dove shampoo and conditioner are 2 for $7. I'm going to grab 2 for $7, use this $4 off of 2 hair care products that came in the Sunday's Unilever insert. That's going to leave me to pay $3 in store, but I'm going to get back $1 for each one on Ibotta, making it a final cost of $1 or 50 cents each. So this week, the Gerber Second Foods are buy 12, get $5 off. We also have these down here, the Gerber's, the pouches and the organic are also buy 12, get $5 off. But I'm just going to grab these regular ones. Over them at $1.39 is going to bring me to $16.68. $5 is going to automatically come off, bring me down to $11.68. Then I'm going to use these $2.50 off of 4. It's going to take off another $3, bring me down to $8.68. Then Ibotta's going to give me back 3,000 points for buying 5 and an extra 500 for buying 1. It's going to take off another $3.50. That's going to bring me down to $5.18 or about 43 cents for each one. I'm going to grab 2 of these poise pads at $5.99. That's going to bring me to $11.98. I'm going to use this $4 off of 2 from the Publix Green Flyer and 2 of these $2 off of 1 poise products that I printed from coupons.com. That's going to take off a total of $8, leave me to pay $3.98 in store, and then I'm going to get back $2 for each one on Ibotta, making them completely free. So this week, Icy Hot is 25% off, and then the shelf price reflects the discount. These are $5.62. We do have a buy one, get one free. Ibotta is offering back $3 on the 4-ounce sprays. My store doesn't carry them. If your store carries the 4 ounces, you can grab 2. Maybe they'll be the same price. If they are, you can grab 2. The coupon will take off $5.62, and you'll get back $6 on Ibotta, making it a 38-cent moneymaker. But my store doesn't have the 4-ounce, so I'm not going to pick these up. So the Suave Kids shampoo is priced at $2.19. We have a bigger one at $3.49. These do have a $1 rebate on Ibotta. We have this $1.50 off Suave Kids hair care product that came in the Sunday's Unilever insert. I'm going to pick up 2 at $4.38. I'm going to use 2 of these. That's going to take off $3. I'm going to be left to pay $1.38 for 2, but get back $2 on Ibotta, making these a 62-cent moneymaker. So we still have this dollar off any persil. It does qualify on the 15 count disc. So I'm going to grab one at $5.49. I'm going to use this $2 off of 1 that I printed from coupons.com, and then the dollar off of 1. That's going to leave me to pay $2.49 in store, but checkout 51 is offering $2 back on a 15 count. So it's going to make my final cost 49 cents for 1. This week, Lipton tea bag, 72 to 100 count, or $2.99. I'm going to pick up one at $2.99. Use this 40 cent off of 1 that came in the Sunday's Unilever insert. So that's going to leave me to pay $2.59 for 1, which is not a bad price because we actually drink these. This week, the Post Dunkin' cereal are buy one get one free at $3.99. I'm going to grab one of each because I have an offer back on Ibotta for 50 cents on each one. So it's going to bring my total down to $3 or $1.50 each after my Ibotta rebate. I'm going to grab 2 of these College Inn chicken broths. They are buy one get one free this week at $2.79. I have these 2 50 cents off of 1. That's going to bring me down to $1.79 in store. But then Ibotta is offering me back $1 when I buy 2. It's going to make a final cost of 79 cents or about 39 cents each. Okay, so this is everything I'm picking up this week. At the moment, I might come back later in the week to do some more deals, but this is everything I'm grabbing right now. I'm going to go ahead and go to the register. These are all of the coupons I'm using. I did pick up one of these Chobani creamers. There are 2 for $7 this week. We do have a $2 off of 2 digital. That'll bring your total down to $5 for 2, but I'm just going to grab one, and hopefully it rings up at $3.50. My buy one get one products, I am in a half BOGO area, so they all ring up at half price if it's buy one get one free. This is not buy one get one free, but I'm hoping it still rings up at $3.50 instead of $4. I'll tell you guys whenever I check out how much this actually cost me, and I don't have any manufacturer coupons for this besides the digital if you buy 2. Okay everyone, so I made it back home from Publix. This is everything that I picked up. I'm going to try to talk quickly and so that you guys can understand me because my mouth is still a little numb and I don't want to bite my tongue. So this is everything that I picked up. I'm going to go over the receipt real quick and then tell you about the rebates. Here are the cereal for the Post right here. Here's the Lipton tea bags, the Persil disc, the Suave hair care kids products, the chicken broth, the Glucerna, one of the Tenna pads, the Chobani sweet cream. It did ring up at $3.50, not at $3.99. The Poise pads, all of my Gerber foods, and then the $5 automatically came off. And then on the Tenna pads, the $2 does automatically come off. So there's another one. Here are the 2 Dove products I picked up, the other Tenna pads. On the receipt, the product actually rings up at $5.19, so that will get me over the $25 to get that $10 gift card back. So on the video that I posted previously, the Tenna pads will be a $32 and some change moneymaker. So if you guys can do that deal, I suggest you try to rush out and do it. Hopefully it does reset on the Checkout 51 app so that you guys can do it again Thursday and Friday. If not, it's only good for today. The Tenna pads are still a $7.86 moneymaker until Friday when the Publix Green Flyer coupon, the 2 off of 1 expires. So even if you can't get it for the $32, $7.86 is still good to cover overage for the other items that you pick up. Anyways, let's go down here. That was the last thing. Here's 2 off of 1 Tenna pads, $1 Persil, the $3 off of 2 Glucerna, and another 2 off of 1 Tenna pads. All of my manufacturer coupons came off. 50 cents off of 1 for the chicken broth, the 40 cents off was the Lipton, the $1.50 off was the Suave Kids. I said I was going to use 2, but I did have a digital, so I just clipped it to my card. Here's a $4 off of 2 for the Poise, $2 off for the Poise, $2 off for the Poise, $1.50 off for the Gerber, $1.50 off for the Gerber, $4 off for the Dove, $3 off for the, what is this? Glucerna, $3 off for the Glucerna, $2 off for the Tenna, the $5 off of 2 for the Tenna pads, and then the other Green Flyer savings. I did give her 2 Poise pads coupons, so I don't know why the digital came off, but the $1.50 off of the kids digital did not come off, but I did just go right over to customer service and they did give me back the $1.50 that didn't come off, so a total of $1.62 with tax. So I'm going to show you guys the total on here, and then I'll tell you the actual total with that money I got back. So my subtotal was $20.02, with tax was $24.52. I had a total savings of $90.15. And then of course, if I factor in the $1.62 that I got back that was supposed to come off, the final numbers are my subtotal should have been $18.52, with tax $22.90. So rebates. On checkout 51, I got back $17. I got back $3 for each of the 10 pads 5 times. I got back $2 for the persil. On Fetch Rewards, I got back $3.50. And then I do have another offer that popped up today that is buy 30 Gerber baby foods, get 7,000 points. You do not have to buy that in one receipt. So I do have 12 jars tracking towards that 7,000 points or $7. And then the Dove and the Suave is tracking towards the spend $30 on Unilever products in a grocery store and get a $10 gift card. And then on Ibotta, I got back $1.50 for the Dunkin' instead of $1. One of the rebates attached to both, and then one gave me back 50 cents. So it brought them down to $2.50 or $1.25 each. The Dove I got back 2. The Poise I got back 4. And then the College in chicken broth I got back $1. And then I think that's it. And then I will get back the $10 gift card for spending $25 on certain products on one receipt. That brings me to $41 in rebates. My subtotal was $18.52, which makes this a $22.48 moneymaker. With tax, it was $22.90, and that makes it after tax an $18.10 moneymaker. I wanted to do so much more deals today, but I was pressed for time like I let you guys know, so I wanted to do what I could today. Hopefully I can go back later in the week and get some more items. I did have such a big moneymaker today, so hopefully I can just move that moneymaker into my next transaction and get the rest of the deals that I wanted to get for the week. But that does bring us to the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, just ask me down in the comments. Do look down in the comments because sometimes rebates pop up during the week that I can submit for another rebate, and it makes it even a bigger moneymaker. But yeah, that brings us to the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.